In this week's fastest 4 minutes in finance, 5 reasons you may get a bigger tax refund in 2026. Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Scott Inman. Well, it is officially tax time. You've probably received several tax documents by now, and the thought of getting everything together to file your tax return can be daunting. Well, here's some extra motivation. You may get more back or pay less this year than in previous years, thanks to the One Big Beautiful Bill signed into law last July. The Tax Foundation estimates that the average refund could be up to $1,000 higher this year. So here are 5 changes that could benefit you. Number 1, the standard deduction is higher. According to the IRS, more than 90% of taxpayers use the standard deduction, mostly because they don't have enough itemized deductions that would exceed the standard deduction amount. Well, the new law raises that standard deduction from $21,200 to $31,500 for married filing jointly, and from $14,600 to $15,750 for single filers. Now, the law will raise it again in 2027. Number 2, if you're 65 or older, there is a new additional deduction that you'll get to stack on top of your standard deduction. The new law creates a deduction of $6,000 per person for you. It is based on income, though, so it phases out if your modified adjusted gross income is over $150,000 for joint filers or $75,000 for single filers. Also worth noting, the additional senior deduction does end after 2028. Number 3, you may be able to deduct more of your state and local tax payments. There was a cap on that deduction of $10,000. Well, that's been raised to $40,000. This will benefit residents of high tax states, but you will have to itemize to get this deduction, and it won't benefit higher earners. The new $40,000 cap is reduced for those who earn over $500,000 for married joint filers. Number 4, if you bought a new vehicle in 2025, you may be able to deduct the interest you paid on your loan. The new law allows you to deduct up to $10,000 of car loan interest, and you don't have to itemize to take advantage of this. But there are some requirements to qualify, and one of the biggest is you don't have taxable income over $150,000 filing single or $250,000 married filing jointly. And finally, number 5, your employer may have withheld too much from your paycheck. The IRS did not update withholding tables after the Big Beautiful Bill was signed into law, so some taxpayers became eligible for additional deductions, but were still paying more per paycheck, and that could create a bigger refund, of course. Bottom line, if you do get a fatter tax refund this year, now is the time to make a plan for what you'll do with it. Use the money wisely. Lump sum payments are great catalysts for your path to financial independence, if you put it to work for you.
Want to become smarter financially in 4 minutes or less? Sign up at fastest4.com to get insights and updates like this delivered to your inbox weekly.